In the box. 1 3-foot high-speed USB 2.0A male to mini B cable. For speed-critical devices. Connects speed-critical devices, such as external hard drives and smartphones, and peripherals that require a mini B connection to your computer. Gold-plated connectors. Constructed with corrosion-resistant, gold-plated connectors for optimal signal clarity and shielding to minimize interference. Backwards compatible. Backwards compatible with USB 1.0. Frustration-free packaging. Easy to open. Shipped in certified frustration-free packaging. Connect portable electronics. The cable connects devices requiring mini B connections such as digital cameras, external hard drives and some smartphones to an A-male USB port. Optimal signal clarity. Constructed with corrosion-resistant, gold-plated connectors optimize signal clarity and offer shielding to minimize interference. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy cable. Works beautifully with my PSP and is made of a strong material that feels very durable. Great bang for your buck and does exactly what is needed.